How to make your Chrome browsing faster. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can make your Chrome browsing faster, and I will be showing you some hidden features that will make your browsing faster. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. So let's just jump right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is open up your Chrome, and on the top right you'll find three dots. Tap on it. After you're there, scroll down a bit and there you'll find settings. Head over to settings, and on your settings on the left hand side you'll find performance. Head over there. Now, the first settings that we will turn on is called preloaded images. So enable this. So what this does is that after you've done that, just select extended preloading as well. So what this does is preloading images, pages, will anticipate the pages that you're most likely to visit, and it will preload it in case you visit them. So that will make it load up much more faster. And the other things that there is the memory option. So under memory saver, here you can just keep it at balanced if you want, but if you want to get, you know if you want to make it faster, select moderate, or you can simply turn off your memory saver. Same goes for energy. Here you can see you can turn off energy saver, which will make everything run at its maximum capacity. So there are a lot of such options, and these are some of them, but this will prove to make your browsing much faster. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.